Hi, this is my room in my solitary moment, and that is my uniform, my study table, and then now is my bed, my beautiful bed. Okay, and this is my beautiful side table with my beautiful lights on it. Okay, back to my bed and my beautiful TV that I always watch. And there is my certificate when I finished nursing. The clock that reminds me that I have to wake up at 5. This is Ling recording. Thank you.